What UPSC expects from you in the essay paper. A syllabus decoding guide. The essay paper in the UPSC Civil Services examination is not merely about showcasing knowledge. It's a litmus test of an aspirant's ability to think deeply, analyze critically, and communicate effectively. With a weightage of 250 marks, it holds the potential to significantly boost your final rank. Unlike general studies or optional papers, the essay paper evaluates your personality on paper, your intellectual clarity, emotional intelligence, and persuasive power. Let us decode what UPSC really expects and how you can align your preparation to meet those standards. Before that, let us have the basic structure of the essay paper. The essay paper is divided into two sections, A and B, each offering 4 topics. You are required to write one essay from each section, totaling 2 essays in 3 hours. Each essay carries 125 marks, and the ideal word limit is around 1000 to 1200 words. Topics range from philosophical themes and abstract ideas to social, political, economic, and ethical issues. Every year, UPSC gives a clear instruction in its notification. Candidates will be expected to keep closely to the subject of the essay to arrange their ideas in orderly fashion and to write concisely. Credit will be given for effective and exact expression. These are not merely general guidelines, they serve as the very pillars upon which your essay will be evaluated. Notice the key terms. Closely, arrange, orderly, concise, effective, and exact expression. These are not just words. They are the precise criteria that define excellence in UPSC essay writing. Let's decode each one. 1. Closely. UPSC expects you to stay close to the subject. Do not meander into tangents or add generic information. Every quote, anecdote, or data point must relate directly to the central theme of the essay. Example: if the topic is real development should transform lives, not just economies. Don't just describe GDP growth or policy schemes. Talk about qualitative life improvements, inclusive development, human well-being, etc. 2. Arrange. Have a clear structure before writing. Spend 15 to 20 minutes on brainstorming and outlining your essay. Decide your stand, main arguments, counterpoints, examples, and conclusion. An arranged essay flows logically. It shows clarity of purpose and planning. 3. Orderly. Ensure logical progression. Organize your essay in this format. Introduction. Briefly introduce the topic and your interpretation. Body. Build your arguments in a logical order, with each paragraph covering a distinct but connected point. Conclusion. Reinforce your stance and provide a holistic closure. Avoid jumping from one idea to another without transitions. 4. Concise. Say more with less, avoid verbosity. Keep your sentences crisp and clear. Don't beat around the bush, precision is key. Example: instead of, in today's modern world, which is very fast-paced and where time is a constraint for most individuals, just say, in today's fast-paced world. 5. Effective. Make every sentence count. Every line should convey meaning, build your argument, or enhance understanding. Use simple yet powerful language. Avoid jargon and ornamental vocabulary. Your essay should be compelling, not just informative. 6. Exact expression. Exact expression refers to the ability to convey ideas with precision and clarity, using the most appropriate words without ambiguity or exaggeration. It means avoiding vague, flowery, or overly complex language. Each sentence should communicate the intended message directly and effectively, leaving no room for misinterpretation while maintaining the tone and purpose of the essay. What makes a high-scoring essay? 1. Original thinking. Examiners read hundreds of essays. Stand out with fresh perspectives, not clichés. 2. Balanced arguments. Acknowledge opposing views and then refute or integrate them to show maturity. 3. Multidimensional approach. Cover aspects from society, polity, economy, philosophy, international relations, ethics, etc. 4. Relevant examples. Use current affairs, historical events, quotes, or personal anecdotes, but always relevant. 5. Emotional and ethical depth. Touch upon human values, empathy, compassion, these leave a lasting impression. Final tips for aspirants. Read essays by toppers to understand the flow and tone. Practice regularly, At least one essay every 10 days. Get your essays reviewed by mentors or peers. Read newspapers and magazines to gather content and polish your writing style. Use quotes sparingly but smartly, only when they add value. Essay writing is not just about putting thoughts on paper, it's about presenting your worldview, your maturity, and your understanding of India and the world. The UPSC expects essays that are intellectually rich, emotionally resonant, and structurally sound. By following the official blueprint and internalizing these expectations, you don't just write essays, you craft masterpieces. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.